See the page number 19 up to exercise 1.4 completed. Next one, unit exercise, page number 19. First one, see, calculate the following. So they given the first question. First three problems I will tell. So remaining problems do yourself. Remaining problems. Okay, first two I will tell. Third one, fourth one do yourself. Third one, fourth one do yourself. See the fifth one. Fifth one, sixth one I will tell. Fifth one, sixth one. Sixth one also I will tell. Remaining problems to yourself. Third one, fourth one, and seventh one, eighth one. That four problems to yourself. See the first one. You want to product 8 into minus 1. 8 into minus 1. So product, you want to do the product. No? Let us see. So plus 8 having the sign is plus. So sign is plus. So plus into minus means symbol. So plus into minus, minus. 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Next one, second one, see. Minus into plus. Minus into plus. It will become minus only. So 2 into 175. So 175 2s are 2 into 175. So it will become 250, 5 to 10, 7 to 14, 50, 2 1s are 3. So it will become minus 350. Okay, now like that. See the third one. Sorry, division. These are multiplications. Remaining two problems do yourself. See the fifth one. So you want to divide. You want to divide. A divided by B. A divided by B means A by B. So first number you want to write down in the numerator, second number you want to write down in the denominator. Minus 7 divided by minus 1. So minus minus will be cancelled. Minus minus will be cancelled. So 1 1s are 1 7s are. So it will become 7. It will become 7. So see the sixth one. Sixth problem. Minus 12 divided by 16. So it will be written as minus 12 divided by 6. Minus 12 divided by 6. So minus is there. In the denominator, there is no sign. So minus as it is. Minus as it is. So 6 1s are 6 2s are. 6 1s are 6 2s are. So it will become 2. So the answer is minus 2. Like that, the remaining two problems do yourself. See the next one. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a truth statement. See the second round. In that blanks Okay, in that blanks you want to write down the number, I mean integer you want to write down. See the first one. So first 4 problems, these are all multiplications only. So first 2 problems I will tell, remaining 2 problems do yourself. So positive one only. The 7th one, 8th one do yourself. Let us see. You want to write down in this blank integer. So minus 7 into dash that equal to 21. You want to get the answer 21. Okay, 21. So minus into, if it is there, plus is there means it will get a C. So you will get minus into plus. Minus into plus, minus will come. So answer is positive is there. So you want to change the sign. So minus into minus plus. 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. Minus into minus plus 7 3s are 21. So it is correct. Next one. Plus into plus means plus you want to get. But here is minus is there. So plus into minus. 7 into 6 are 7 6 are 42k. Like that. So positive plus into minus came correct. You want to product with 9 into something, you will get 72. 9 8s are 72. Like that. So you want to get positive. So minus is here. Here also you want to put minus. So minus into minus plus. 11 into you want to product. So 11 2's 22. 11 2's 22. 11 ones are 11. So 11 into 12 into 11. So you will get 132. Here you want to do the division. So minus 25 divided by something is there. You want to know that blank. So that equal to 1 you want to get. So 1 రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ see minus 25 divided by question mark that equal to 1 you want to get. So you want to get 1 means, so minus you want to cancel. So minus will be cancelled. So 25 you will write. So 25 also cancel. 1 minus also cancel means all will be cancelled. So it will become 1 by 1. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So it means minus 25. Minus 25. Next one. 42 divided by question mark that equal to minus 6. You want to get the answer minus 6. You want to get the minus 6. So here there is no minus. So in the denominator you want to put the minus. Okay, you want to put the minus. Denominator minus, it will go to numerator also. So numerator minus it will come to denominator also. So minus అనేది న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉండేది డినామినేటర్ లో రాసుకోవచ్చు, డినామినేటర్ లో ఉండేది న్యూమరేటర్ లో రాసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో ఈ నౌ in the denominator minus, it will go to numerator, it will become minus. So minus is there. So you want to get 6. So which number you want to divide with 42 means it will get 6. So 7s. 7 6 are okay. So see, minus. So minus you want to get numerator, minus 42 by 7. Minus 42 by 7. So that equal to minus 7 1s are 7 6s are. So that equal to minus 6. K no? Minus 6 K. So you want to divide with minus 7. You want to divide with minus 7. So that is the second Roman. See the third Roman. Write all the possible pairs of integers that gives a product of minus 50. So you want to get the minus 50, write down the pair of integers. So pair of integers means you want to get the minus 50. Minus 50 you want to get the value. So products. So 1 into minus 50. 1 into minus 50. Next 2 into divided by 2 means 25s. 2 25s. Okay, not 2 25s. So anyone you want to put the minus because of minus into plus minus. 25 2s are 50 will come. So here also same. Plus into minus minus. 1 into 50 means 50 only will come. So next one 3. It will not go. With the 5s 3 4 5 so 5. 5 into 10. 5 into 10. 5 into minus 10. So plus into minus minus. 5 10s are 50. Next 6 7 8 9 10. So next to 10. 10 into minus 5. 10. Next 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. It will not go. It will go with the 25s. 25 2s. Okay, now 25 2s. So you want to put the minus here. Next to 50. 50 ones. Again 50 ones. You want to put the minus here because of here written as minus 50. So you want to take here into minus 50. Minus 1 we will take. So these are the pairs. These are the pairs we will get for the third question. So I am writing in the pairs. I am writing on the pairs. Let's see. First one is minus 2 comma. Sorry, first one is 1 comma minus 50. 1 comma minus 50. 1 comma minus 50. Second one minus 2 comma 25. Minus 2 comma 25. Next third one 5 into minus 10. 5 into minus 10. So next fourth one 10 into minus 5. Sorry, don't put the into comma you want to put. Next one minus 25 comma 2. Next 50 comma minus 1. 50 comma minus 1. These are the all possible pair of integers that give to the product of minus 20. Next class we will see the remaining problems.